Our story research indicates this vehicle as having low monthly fuel costs, certified pre-owned, and a good deal, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, remote trunk release, steel wheels, tires, front performance. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
We know that the idea of buying a used Toyota is attractive to you. After all, getting a high-quality, low-mileage Toyota at a great price is a smart move. That's why we created the Toyota Certified Used program. It's the smart choice.